Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Fariza binti Azmi and my metric number is 06DSK20F1006. Today, I will present about waste composition in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Nur Azwa and all my friends. Today, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Putri Nur Aisyah binti Fazrin. My metric number is 06DSK20F1018. I will be presenting raw data 2.
Malaysia is very dependent to the landfill to manage the 95% waste that is generated daily. To enhance solid waste management, Malaysia has taken a stepwise approach to privatize and centralize its solid waste management. It involves reuse, reduce and recycle. Landfill site is also known as a dump, rubbish dump or garbage. Is a site for the disposal of waste materials. Landfill is the oldest and most common form of waste disposal. The highest waste in Malaysia is food waste, which is estimated around 37,890 tons per day.
Point number 2 is support sustainable development. The purpose of the Waste Act is to support sustainable development by promoting the rational use of natural resources and preventing and combating the hazard harm to health. Then the last point is provide for safe disposal of waste. The objective of sanitary landfill design is to provide for safe disposal of waste while protecting human health and the environment. Design and manage to protect soil, groundwater, surface water and air.
Based on the data given, Sarawak has the most landfill, which is total of 63 landfill sites, but only 49 of them still in operation and 14 of them is non-operation landfill site. State that has the least landfill site is Wilayah Persekutuan Labuan, which is only one and still in operation. They do not have any non-operation landfill site. The total of sites from all the 15 states is 296 sites, but not all of them in operation. This is because only 165 landfill sites in operation. The other 131 sites is non-operation landfill sites. After I made a few considerations, I chose bar graph as the most suitable data for the analysis because the data given shows the number of operational and non-operational landfill sites, and we can see the highest and the least much more clearly. Next is we will see the bar graph that resulting from the data. The bar graph illustrates that Sarawak has the highest operational landfill site. The number of still operational landfill sites is 49. Even though they have the highest operational landfill sites, they still have about 14 landfill sites that are unused. Besides that, the data analysis has shown that Wilayah Persekutuan Labuan has the least operational landfill site, which is only one. Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur does not have any operation landfill site. This is because they have 7 non-operational landfill sites. This issue can be a problem in the future. Other than that, Johor has the most non-operational landfill sites, which is 23. From the data given, we can see that we still have many landfill sites that are not in operation. In my opinion, we should use it as many as possible because the amount of waste generated continue to increase due to the increasing population and development, and only less than 5% of waste is being recycled. Despite the massive amount and complexity of waste produced, the standards of waste management in Malaysia are still poor.
As you guys can see, this is the information of waste composition in Malaysia. The red color that highlighted is the food waste that shows highest in waste composition. The average Malaysian throws away in 1.64 kg of waste daily, compared to the worldwide average of 1.2 kg. Malaysia's waste production will increase 65% to 7,000 tonnes by day by 2020. The Malaysian authorities are facing strenuous challenge in food waste handling and treatment. Food waste import the environmental issue due to its improper separation with municipal solid waste. According to research, the majority of waste or trash from household or commercial buildings is collected and sent to the landfills. Okay, now next we move to the data analysis. This is table of waste composition in Malaysia. Here you can see that percentage is placed in the next box of waste composition in Malaysia. This arrangement is arranged in the order of the highest percentage, placed at the top, which is food waste, and the lowest one percentage is placed at the bottom ones, which is the chapak. Okay, after making the analysis, the suitable chart for this data is pie chart. This is because the data use more percentage for every portion. It is also shows the highest and lowest percentage of the data. Okay, now I will explain the pie chart. The shown pie chart shows data about waste composition in Malaysia. The food waste represents the largest portion at waste composition in Malaysia, whereas Tetra Pak is undoubtedly the smallest. This point is clearly emphasized by its visual separation from the rest of the pie. The pie chart above clearly shows that the largest percentage is 44% of food waste is mostly disposed of in Malaysia, and the smallest percentage is 2% of Tetra Pak, which has been discarded. Okay, the differences between plastics and diapers or sanitary napkin is only 1%, which is plastic portion is less than a fifth, while diapers and sanitary napkin is slightly more than 1 in 10. Okay, as you guys see, glass and textile have similarities portions of percentage, which is only 3%. Waste composition of paper, garden waste, and other portion each less than 1 in 10. In conclusion, we can say that food waste disposal has the highest percentage because Malaysia so greedy. Every time when they buying or taking some food, then they cannot finish the food, they just throw away.
In my conclusion, waste management is an important issue that needs governmental action quickly. At present, there is very little awareness exists regarding this issue in our society. The practice of bringing forth waste are too risky, not only for today, but they could be dangerous for our future generation. Composting as a treatment of organic waste had been proven to significantly reduce the volume of waste in the country. In addition, composting can also provide nutrients that are suitable for agriculture and can be used as fertilizer to replace chemical fertilizer. Malaysia is on track to meet its 2020 targets to divert 40% of waste from landfill and increase recycling rates to 22%. According to the most recent stats available, almost 90% of waste was reportedly disposed to sanitary landfills, while only 10.5% was recycled.
In conclusion, we can say that food waste disposal has the highest percentage because Malaysia is so greedy. Every time when they buying or taking food, then they cannot finish the food, they just throw away. So what can I say is we need to always be frugal when buying food and not waste the food in order to take care of this earth. This can reduce food waste.